Namaste students. Let's start with the part 2 of integration by parts. Alright, we will be just doing more questions of it so that the concept become clear to you all. Alright, we've already done many examples, so we are taking more examples so that the things become clear and you will be able to apply this rule. Suppose if I have integration of tan inverse x. Integration of tan inverse x. If I say tan inverse, it's an inverse function, so that's the first function it has to be treated as. But it does not have any other second function. What happens if we don't have a second function? We always take the second function as 1. Alright, so start integrating. First function as it is. Integration of 1. What is integration of 1? X. Sign of integral. Differentiation of first. Tan inverse x का differentiation क्या होता है? 1 upon 1 plus x square. Integration of second, that is x. So I have when you are doing one form, again I am saying that you cannot forget the previous ones. Is it clear? So I have to integrate x upon 1 plus x square. How I am going to integrate? By substitution. Put 1 plus x square as t. 2x dx is equals to dt. This 2 goes that side. So 1 by 2 out. 1 by t. X dx is half dt. Put the value. Log of t plus c. Substitute the value of t again. Log of. So that's the integration of tan inverse. So whenever you have inverse trigonometric functions, alright, if no other function is given to you, so you have to take into 1 and then you start solving by parts. Now look at this question. Sin inverse x whole square. Into 1 I can do it. I can start with the by parts. But think just to make it a little easier so that the power becomes a little easy. Think about it, what shall we do? Substitution is the only method which you should think about always to make the question easier. If I put sin inverse x is equals to t, that means x is equals to sin t. Now differentiate. Dx, sin is cos t, dt. Now put the values. Sin inverse x is t, so it becomes t square. In place of dx, I get cos t into dt. See, the question has become easier. So always think children, you have to think. So you got the combination of algebraic and trigonometric. And if I see the word dilate, what is the sequence? Algebraic should be the first, trigonometric should be the second. So start. First function is as this. Integration of second. Cos integration. Sin t. Minus integration. Sine of integral. T square by differentiation. 2t. Into integration of second. Cos integration. Still I have u into v here. So I need to apply. Now, again, the first function and this is the second function. Keep a bracket because there's a minus sign outside. First function as it is, integration of sine. What is the integration of sine? Integration of sine is minus cos t. Integration of sine t is minus cos t minus sine of integral. Differentiation of 2t. Differentiation of 2t would be 2. Integration of sine t, that is minus cos. So I am going to write minus out. Now we got only one function in integral, so I will integrate and I put the value of the opening the bracket also. Integration of cos. What is integration of cos? Integration of cos is sine and plus. Is it clear? Put all the values back. I is equals to sin t is x, t is t, alright. If I have a value of, I need the value of cos t. I need the value of cos t. What is sin t? X. So what will be cos t? Cos t is under the root 1 minus sin t square t. So that means cos t can be written as 1 minus x square under the root, the value. Alright. And the value of sin t, that is x plus c. Alright children. So this way, very easy, but just you have to think, you have to practice integration, and then you will be perfect in that. Alright, so let's pick up some more examples so that things become more clear to you all. Let's see the next one. I have to integrate x sin inverse x upon under the root 1 minus x square. Alright, again, when you look at the question, when it comes in exam or some test, you don't know which form it is. Though in this way doing by parts, so somewhere in mind is that कि maybe by parts लगने वाला है. But right now, so I can't say anything. It has 1, 2, 3 functions. If I start by parts applying directly, it becomes complicated. So one thing you have to think, that is substitution method. उसको substitute करो जिसकी differentiation दे रखी है. If I see sin inverse x, क्या है sin inverse x की differentiation? 1 upon under root 1 minus x square, and that's given to me. And what will be the value of x? That will be sin t. Put the values. So sin inverse x is t, x is sin t, dx upon under root 1 minus x square is dt. So apply Ix and choose the function. Algebraic would be first, trigonometry second. So first function as it is. Integration of sine. What is integration of sine? Minus cos t minus sine of integration. Differentiation of first. T का differentiation क्या हो जाएगा? 1. We need to write integration of second, that is minus cos t. That's it. Integration of cos. What is that? Sin t. So integration over, put the values, integration, the t is sin inverse x. Again we did in the previous question also. What will be cos t? 1 minus sin square t, that is 1 minus x square. And sin t is here, very easy. Alright. So you have to think about substitution. Now look at the second question, the next one. You can do by two methods. One is substitution. One, if you remember your inverse trigonometry well, we had a formula, the sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. Whose formula was it? Remember? Whose formula was it? 2 tan inverse x can be written as sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. So I can directly apply this formula. Now start integrating. I have one function as 2, one as tan inverse. So tan inverse will always be a first function. First function as it is. Integration of 2 would be 2x minus differentiation of first. Tan inverse x differentiation 1 upon 1 plus x square. Integration of second, that is 2x. So 2x tan inverse x and the integral of, by substitution or directly, if इसकी पूरी की पूरी अगर differentiation दे रखी है तो we can apply this rule. Remember, that is log of f of x. Fine. So 1 की differentiation 0, x square की differentiation 2x, completely it is given, or you can do by substitution also, that's your choice. So that will be log of, that's the answer. Is this clear? Alright. Or you can do by substitution also. I'll just tell you the substitution, rest you will do it. Suppose if I have to do the same question by substitution, if you remember in inverse trigonometry, because whenever inverse trigonometry comes and there's something other than x, बाकी सब questions में यहाँ x वगैरह आ रहा था, तो it was easier. But उसके साथ कुछ बड़ा आता है तो हमेशा substitution सोचो. और rules जो हमने inverse trigonometry में किए थे, don't forget about that. If I see it is 2x upon 1 plus x square. अगर हम trigonometric formula से इसे match करें तो it becomes 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. किसका formula बन जाता है? Sin 2 theta, 2 theta का. And inverse trigonometry का rule क्या है? Differentiation में भी we have done the exercise. अगर बाहर sin inverse है और अंदर sin बन जाए तो both get balanced. We say cancel in layman language. Alright. So what is we have to do? I'll put x as tan theta. So it becomes dx ठीक है. सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. इसका फॉर्मूला बन गया अंदर sin 2 theta alright, sin inverse and sin gone. Now you can apply by parts and then solve it. Is it clear? If you remember inverse trigonometric formula, well and good, directly you can do this thing. Otherwise you can do this question by substitution method also. Let's see the next one. I have to integrate x upon 1 plus cos x. See, whenever trigonometry comes, the formulas are always at rescue. So I'll write this as 1 plus cos x को क्या लिख सकते हैं? 2 cos square x by 2. That's it. So that means it becomes x by 2. Cos square would be secant square x by 2. And I have two functions. One is algebraic and trigonometric. If I see the combination, trigonometric would be, algebraic would be first, trigonometric would be second. क्या हमें इसकी इंटीग्रेशन आती है secant square की? Yes, we know it. Secant square की इंटीग्रेशन क्या होती है? Tan. Alright. So the first function as it is, integration of secant square, that will be tan x by 2. But x का जो coefficient है, that comes in denominator. Do not forget these small steps, children. That's very, very important. Alright, secant square की integration tan x by 2 और x का coefficient will come in denominator. That we have done many a time by substitution method. So now we are doing it directly. Find minus sign of integral. Differentiation of x by 2. What will be the differentiation of x by 2? 1 by 2 and integration of this. This 2 will go up, so they get cancelled. Alright. So do we know the integration of tan x by 2? Yes, we know the integration of tan x. What is the integration of tan x? Substitution, remember we did it by sine by cos, either minus log cos x or log secant x. So log of secant x. And the coefficient of x has to come in denominator, that is 1 by 2. Fine, so then it will go up. Log of secant x by 2 plus c. Clear to everyone? This is what we are going to do. So every question is going to be different. You need to think and it will become very, very easy. If I look at the next one, x upon 1 minus sin x. Now 1 minus sin x का तो formula नहीं. Alright, that's the problem. I have a formula of 1 plus cos x. I have a formula of 1 minus cos x. Sin x is a problem. और डिनोमिनेटर मुझे छोटा बनाना है, बड़ा नहीं बनाना. कि सोचो कि हम लोगों ने एक रूल किया था कि अगर 1 माइनस साइन एक्स आ जाए तो उसको लिखो cos स्क्वायर एक्स बाई 2 प्लस साइन स्क्वायर एक्स बाई 2. उस पर डबल्स फार्मूला अप्लाई करो. ट्रिग्नोमेट्री वाले में किया था हमने, बट ये डिनोमिनेटर में है. अब डिनोमिनेटर जैसे बड़ा बनता जाएगा क्वेश्चन मुश्किल होता जाएगा. इज इट क्लियर? सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, बिकॉज आई नो द फार्मूला ऑफ 1 प्लस कॉस एंड 1 माइनस कॉस, सो आई एम गोइंग टू कन्वर्ट दिस साइन इनटू कॉस. I can write this sin x as cos my 90 minus x. That's it, convert it. Now I'll apply the formula of 1 minus cos theta, that is 2 sin square theta by 2. इसका half. So सो पाई बाय 4 माइनस एक्स बाय 2. चिल्ड्रन क्लियर? क्या किया हम लोगों ने? पहले हमने साइन को कॉस में चेंज कर लिया टू अप्लाई सच काइंड ऑफ फार्मूला. तो आई रिटन साइन एज कॉस 90 माइनस थीटा. फिर हमने अप्लाई किया 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा का रूल, दैट इज 2 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा बाय 2. एंगल वुड बी हाफ. सो आई गॉट टू फंक्शंस. एंगल क्या है कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, इट हैज टू बी लीनियर, दैट्स इट. Clear? Start. Trigonometry is going to be, algebraic is going to be first, trigonometry is going to be second. First function as it is, cosecant square की integration. क्या होती है cosecant square की integration? What is that? Minus cot. Cosecant square का integration is minus cot x. But जो x का coefficient है वो denominator में जरूर आएगा, that is minus 1 by 2. Alright, minus sign of integration x by 2 की differentiation. What will be the x by 2 का differentiation? 1 by 2. And integration of cosecant square we have written minus cot. This is the integration only. Minus already है, plus बना देते हैं इसको. This 2 will go up. Alright. अच्छा माइनस ये था माइनस कॉट, वन मोर माइनस वाज देयर, सो इट बिकम माइनस फाइनली बिकॉज कोसेकेंट स्क्वायर की इंटीग्रेशन इज माइनस कॉट x अपॉन द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x इज माइनस 1 by 2, सो माइनस माइनस एडजस्ट होके वहाँ माइनस ही आएगा. नाउ व्हाट डू वी हैव विद अस? I have to integrate cot. Do I have an integration of cot? Yes, we do have integration of cot. What is the integration of cot? Remember we did it with the rule cos upon sin, log sin. So I can write it as log sin and the coefficient of x will come in denominator plus c, this minus 2 will go up and then we will solve it. Is it clear? Alright, so these were more examples and one more specific type we will be doing it. Clear to everyone? So this is more examples of integration by part. Let's start some more questions after this.